How to fix Snapchat video recording not working problem. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can fix Snapchat video recording not working problem. So guys, if you are experiencing issue with the Snapchat video recording not working, there are several things you can try to fix that issue. So first of all, you will have to check for your internet connection. Ensure that you have using the stable internet connection, as Snapchat requires it to record and send the video. Also guys, you can clear the cache or the data. So clearing the cache and the data of the Snapchat app can help fix many issues. So to resolve this issue, you will have to go to your settings, and then after that you will have to go to your apps. So tap right here on the apps option. Now I will have to tap on the manage apps, and now I will have to search for the Snapchat. And after that you will see the clear data option. So from there you can clear the cache of your Snapchat app. And also guys, you can update your apps by going onto the Play Store and by searching the Snapchat on the search bar. Tap right here on the search bar Snapchat. So from there you will get the update option. So you can also update your app and make sure you are using the latest version and of the Snapchat, as regular updates can fix bugs and improve performance. And the last but not the least, you can restart your phone, and sometimes restarting your phone can help resolve issues with the Snapchat video recording. So try these solutions one by one until you successfully resolve the issue with the Snapchat video recording. Hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.